Hey guys, so today I'm headed over to the shop to do a super quick install on the Jeep. It's the Desert Does It Molle Panel for your spare tire. Now this adds a bunch of storage without really having to do a lot of work. It's just two simple bolts. So let's zip over and get it done. In the package, you'll get 2 threaded spacers, 2 bolts, an Allen wrench, and the mount itself. Take your lug wrench and remove the lugs one at a time, replacing them with the threaded spacers. Once you've tightened both spacers, you're ready to grab the mount and bolts. Attach the panel to the threaded spacers using the 2 provided stainless bolts. Tighten them down with the provided Allen wrench, and that's it. Now you're ready to mount a shovel, antenna, flag, or whatever else you want on this American-made Molle panel. Grab yours at the link below, and make sure to like and subscribe.